I remember speaking to one very wise old man in 1971 on the banks of the Ganges. He was an old Hindu man, a devotee of Ram, and his best friend was a Muslim. And I asked him one day, how is it in a nation where there's so much conflict between the two religions that you can have such an intimate, loving friendship and see God in each other? His words still reverberate in my heart. Can I tell? Thank you. He said, if a dog sees her master, if the master is wearing one day a suit and tie, another day a nightgown, another day a dhoti and kurta, another day the master stands before her naked, the dog will always recognize this is my master. If we cannot recognize our master, our God, when he comes in different dresses, in different forms, at different times, in different religions, then we are far less than that dog.